Hey everybody, just thought I'll continue playing a bit more of Animal Crossing, as you can see, so you get a bit more idea of what the game's like. Sorry about them in the background. But we get to create things, as you can see, see what we can, see if we got enough. No, we haven't got enough for the bed yet. But nope, we have enough for the plant, so we'll create the plant issue thing. Let's build that. As you can see, you order an item from, thank you. That's that done. Let's pop these balloons for plastic presents. And this one over here. As you see, we've got some wood. Lots of wood. Alright, now let's see what we got on this one. Friends, visitors, fox. Alright, let's see what new challenges we got today then. Okay, let's go to that one. We can collect. We've got 1,000 bells. See what this one is in there. We can collect 1,000 bells again. Right, let's see what new daily challenges. Okay, new daily challenges. We got, let's see what we got. As you can see, we can open events we can do. Let's see, oh, people have bought my stuff I put on this. They bought quite a bit. Pears. Bought little bugs put on there. The oranges. Bugs again. The apples. As you can see, I put up for sale some things like fruit or insects or anything, and the other players can buy them. As you can see, let's show you how I add. As you can see, all my I've got in mine. So let's put that one on for sale and see. Let's put it for 1,000. Oh, more than 1,000. 3,000. Put one of the fishes, and see, as you see, you can add to. You can never mind or add to the list. I'm going to add to the list. Let's add one more for you guys. Let's get some. Let's put 8 oranges on there. It's probably about 800 for that. See. Add to list. Alright, there we go. Now, as you can see, there's a new daily challenge. Chat to her. Morning and got their names from blooming in early morning. But did you know there was actually a lot of flowers in the morning? Some mornings were. Sorry about my reading, it's not very good, but as you can tell, in case I think the morning blooming is pretty nice. For pretty flowers, taste. Just gonna have a look what she's on about. Look at that. Let's try and catch one, shall we? We can have multiple catch, as you can. Actually, I'm going to show you how to catch one for now and see, as you can see. Looks like it's frozen on me. Oh, there we go. We've caught it. Now that's finished. I'll show you that's how you caught one. Oh, we get an award for catching one. Wonder what we get. Let's have a look. Ooh, got morning bloom fans. Not bad. Right, now let's get multiple catches. Catch the rest of them. As you can see, I failed to catch some of them, but I catch most of them. Task completed. See what we got again. Oh, I got a lovely glowy bench. Some more fans and all that. Right. Multiple cactus get all the flowers digged up now. Alright, I'm just going to show you how to plant them, then I'm signing out for now. Okay, peeps? Alright, let's see what kind of plants we can choose. Let's choose some pink flowers because they're my favourite colour. Here we go, and there we go. As you can see, I've just planted some more flowers. Now all I've got to do is wait for them to bloom. Okay, for now I am signing out, and I hope you enjoyed my little pre-show of my pocket camp and all that. So, chat to you later. Bye.